Hello everyone, this time the video is on touring needs. We riders have limited space and weight carrying capability on our motorcycles, so we have to plan our luggage management very thoughtfully. In this video, we will discuss 5 must carry-ons for long distance riders. The list begins with bungee cords. Even though I have a saddlebag with straps, I always carry these elastic cords on my long distance rides as they have multiple uses and can save you from a lot of difficult situations. If you carry a backpack and for some reason the strap or buckle comes off, then you can use this to tie up your bag on the rear seat. On long distance rides you have to wash and dry your clothes, and hotels usually don't have favorable provision to dry them. And this is where bungee cords comes as a savior, as they can be stretched and hooked to a desirable length to accommodate clothes for drying. This is what I have done on my Pune-Indore ride. You can also use these hooks to hold the side stand up in case of emergency when the holding springs give up. Nowadays we all carry a lot of electronic gadgets, and keeping them all charged up during the ride is always a task. I use this mobile charger to charge my phone while riding, as Google Maps has a good appetite for battery. In hotel rooms you have limited sockets and a lot of gadgets to charge. I use this LifeTech multiple port and multiple socket strip to charge my gadgets through USB or plug points. This LifeTech power strip has 3 sockets and 6 USB ports, which are enough to even share with other riders who are with you on the long rides. This power strip can save you a lot of time. A motorcyclist should always carry 2 medical kits. One is the first aid kit and another one consisting of medicines to relieve pain, stomach upset, ointment or spray for cuts and sprain. Please consult your doctor and get a list of prescribed medicines for the above mentioned conditions. One more addition to all this is the hand sanitizer, which can be used as a preventive measure. Plus, these hand sanitizers also act as an excellent visor cleaner. Last time I made a video on the tools which I carry, and many of you guys commented that it was like carrying a workshop. So this is the mini version of that toolkit. This one includes 5 spanners of size 8, 10, 12, 14 and 17 mm. The toolkit also consists of a regular 2-head screwdriver. I have also added a spark plug spanner and a 5 mm Allen key to the toolkit. Addition of an electrical tape to the toolkit can be really helpful in case of emergencies. This part of the video consists of list of documents required to ride legally in most part of India. The rider should carry his original driving license, registration certificate, which is also popularly called as RC book, valid tax receipts which you paid while purchasing your motorcycle, valid insurance and emission certificate of your vehicle. Along with these documents, also carry your ID proof and passport size photographs. I prefer to carry my Aadhaar card as I am always ready to link it whenever it is needed. So this was the first part of this video series. Do share your opinions in the comment section.